Want to reverse a video in DaVinci Resolve? In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 easy methods to do it. Let's get started. Right-click on your video clip and select Change Clip Speed. In the pop-up window, check the Reverse Speed box. You'll see a minus sign appear in the speed value, indicating the clip is playing in reverse. Once you're done, click Change. Your video is now reversed. The second method gives you more flexibility. Right-click on the clip and enable Retime Controls. You'll see a drop-down arrow on the clip. Click it and select Reverse Segment. The clip will instantly play in reverse. If you want to adjust the speed, simply drag the edge of the clip. As you do this, the percentage value will change, allowing you to control how fast or slow the reverse effect plays. Third method. Enable Retime Controls by right-clicking the clip. Now move the playhead to the point where you want the reverse effect to start. Click the small drop-down arrow in the Retime Controls and select Add Speed Point. This will split the clip into different speed segments. Next, move the playhead to the frame where you want the reverse effect to end and add another speed point the same way. Now, click the drop-down arrow for the selected section and choose Rewind. You'll see different speed options. Select 100% for normal reverse speed. Once applied, the selected portion will play in reverse while the rest of the video continues normally. You can also adjust the speed of the reverse section by dragging the speed points. And that's it! 3 simple methods to reverse a video in DaVinci Resolve. Try these methods out and see which one works best for your project. Thanks for watching.